Hey guys, it's Buddha. I'm back. My bird was just making this new sound today. I'm gonna try to get her to do it. Just listen. I'm gonna try to see if she's gonna mimic me. You heard it? You heard it? She sounds so cute, right? And she don't want to do it now. But y'all heard her twice, right? Let me see if I can get her to do it again. She sounds so cute. All right, guys. I'll talk to y'all later.